Welcome to Feel Language, the place where Tagalog learners come to learn. You are watching Tagalog for Beginners, Lesson 2, Food. Pagkain. Pagkain. Food. Anong almusal? Anong almusal? Anong almusal? What's for breakfast? Anong almusal? Tinapay at itlog. Tinapay at itlog. Some bread and eggs. Tinapay at itlog. To say some bread, we say mga tinapay. Mga tinapay. To say some eggs, we say mga itlog. Mga itlog. Mga itlog. Anong almusal? Tinapay at itlog. Anong almusal? Tinapay at itlog. Tinapay. Itlog. Gusto mo ng kape? Gusto mo ng kape? Gusto mo ng kape? Oo, yung puro please. Oo, yung puro please. Would you like some coffee? Yes, black please. Gusto is like in English. Kape is coffee. Mag-practice tayo. Let's practice. How do you say what's for breakfast in Tagalog? Can you try? Good. Anong almusal? Anong almusal? How do you say some bread and eggs in Tagalog? Tinapay at itlog. Tinapay at itlog. And how do you say, would you like some coffee in Tagalog? Gusto mo ng kape? Yes, black please. How do you say it in Tagalog? Oo, yung puro please. Oo, yung puro please. Anong almusal? Can you guess? Tinapay. How about this? Did you say itlog? That's right. Itlog. Tinapay at itlog. Gusto mo ng kape? What will you say? Can you try? Oo, yung puro, please. Oo, yung puro, please. There. There you have it. Thank you so much for spending some time with us, and see you in the next video.